There are two main problems when you're trying to learn pen testing. First, you may not have an environment up and ready and configured like a home lab or something like that with a bunch of VMs to do any type of penetration testing or any security testing in general, blue team, red team, whatever. The second thing is, let's say you do have a home lab, maybe you have a server or an Intel NUC or a couple Raspberry Pis, a beefy enough laptop or desktop where you can run a bunch of VMs. You have all that stuff and then you're like, well, what do I do? there's no blueprint, right? You're kind of just like, all right, cool. Well, maybe I can go into Cali and, play around with some of the stuff. But like, you don't know, like you don't have any step-by-step direction. And that's why I like tools like Hack the Box, for example, Web Security Academy. But I do want to try one out that I've never tried before. This is the first time I'm trying it, called TryHackMe. And from a lot of my friends, a lot of my colleagues, this is like the de facto standard, or at least the one that they're really enjoying. So let's go ahead, dive in, do a setup, configuration, see how it all works. First thing you're going to want to do is just go to tryhackme.com. Luckily, it's pretty straightforward, and you can join for free. So you can type in your email here, click join for free, or just click the join for free button here. All right, so you have a username. I'll do Jersey Cyber 92. Oh, actually, you can even sign up with Google, which is nice. So choose whichever option you'd like, either just email password or sign up directly with Google. I'm going to go with Google. So, level of cybersecurity experience, completely new, some knowledge. I have practical experience with cyber. We'll go somewhere in the middle. For how long have you been working in cyber? More than 2 years. I'm kind of going, based on just my years of working in tech and stuff. Like, for example, I would probably usually choose this one, but I'm kind of curious of the different levels. So we'll just go somewhere in the middle. For this one, I'll say more than 2 years. Which fields interest you? Security engineering, defensive, penetration testing, red team. Oh, you can only choose one. Huh. So I liked in Hack the Box how you could do multiple. I wonder if you could change this later. All right, so I don't know what the difference between red teaming and penetration testing is, but do pen testing. What best describes you? I am a cyber or IT practitioner. Business email. Click I don't have a business email. How did you hear about us? Say work colleague, job title. I'm self-employed, so we'll just do principal. Michael Levan. Less than 5. Do I have to put in a phone number? Oh, good. Okay. All right, beautiful. So got a couple of different options here, and maybe this is why they have you choose whether you're entry level or not. And then I guess also based on whether you go with pen testing or red teaming or whatever. Okay, cool. So we'll do offensive pen testing. And actually, let me click on view path here. Prepare yourself for the real world, utilize industry standards, learn realistic attack scenarios. A couple of sections here. Well, yeah, a couple of sections here. Tutorial. Advanced exploitation. Okay, so this is kind of looking a little bit more interesting to me even than Hack the Box. So I'm going to click Start Learning. All right, use the Learn page. Next, submit the tasks. Cool. Okay, beautiful. So let's kind of look at what we have going on here. Okay, cool. So we have, okay, so this is interesting. It says easy. I guess that's just maybe the first tutorial. Remember it said like medium and then it said hard. Okay, so start attack box, help button here, which is great. Save, likes, options. Okay, cool. So task 1, starting your first machine. On TryHackMe, you'll learn by starting and hacking machines. Start the machine, connect, attack. Okay, cool. So let's start the machine. All right, beautiful. So it looks like it's running for about an hour, which is awesome. IP address is popping up now. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is connect access deployed machine by attack the box or via OpenVPN. Okay. Okay, so it's in a browser. So we're going to give it a second here until this target IP comes up. All right, let's go ahead and copy that IP. Give this a shot. Well, actually, access machines. Okay, here we go. You are disconnected to access the target machines. Attack the box. Use your own web-based Linux machine to access. Oh, okay. I don't know why, but I had to click the start attack box machine again. I could have sworn I clicked that button. I feel like everybody maybe saw me click it, but okay. Fair enough. We'll wait for this thing to load up here. All right, and our box is officially up. We will go ahead and click enter. Open this up here. Wants us to, I believe, paste this in. There we go. All right, you can access TryHackMe machines. Beautiful. Now, the last step is follow the steps in the task. What is the flag text shown on the website of the machine you started? I'm looking right at it. I was like, is it talking about this piece up here? Oh, all right, cool. All right, beautiful. You have completed the room. Next room, vulnerability. And with that, that's how we can get TryHackMe up and running, do the first challenge, and jump in on our journey.